Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we'll study having clause. It is used to specify filter condition for a group of rows or aggregates. It is often used with group by clause to filter groups based on a specified condition. Where clause is applied before group by and having is applied after group by clause. We have already discussed group by clause in our previous video. You can watch it. I will provide you the link in the description. Syntax of having clause is select column names, comma aggregate function within bracket column name from table name where condition group by column names. The order of clauses in SQL is from, where, group by, having, then order by. Where is applied on whole tables or columns and having is applied on groups. Now we'll discuss some examples. Here we are using student table. Select class average marks from student group by class having average marks less than 90. As we can see, the classes are 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th. There are two 12th class students. The average marks of these students will be 80 plus 90 divided by 2 and it will be 85. The query result will be unique occurrences of class values along with average marks of each class and each class having average marks less than 90. Only class 10th student, only one class 10th student among has more than 90%. In the output we will have 9th, 11th and 12th because their average mark is less than 90. Now we'll discuss another example. As we know, in 12th class we have two students. Count star will be 2. Here we are having the query. Select class average marks from student group by class having count star is equal to 2. The query result will be unique occurrences of class values along with average marks of each class and each class having 2 rows. Here there are only one output which is 12th class and their average mark is 80 plus 90 divided by 2 will be 85. Let us see practically. Here we are using student database. For that we are writing use student. Select star from student will give all the data available in student table. Select class, comma average marks from student group by class having average marks less than 90 will give us 3 classes name, that is 9th, 11th and 12th, because average of class 10th is 100. Select class average marks from student group by class having aggregate marks greater than 90 will give us only one record, which is class 10th, and its average mark is 100. Here our student table is very small, but there may be more records in student table. Having clause will help us to find the toppers class-wise. Select class average marks from student group by class having count star is equal to 2 will give us one record, which is class 12th, because it has 2 students. We can group by city also. As we know, there are 3 students who are staying in Delhi. Select city, some marks from student group by city having count star greater than 2 will give us only one record, which is Delhi, and its count star is 3. It will add the marks obtained by all 3 students, and it will be 250 in our case. Now I will write select star from students so that you will be able to see the marks obtained by these 3 students. The marks are 100 plus 60 plus 90, and it will be 250. We can also calculate sum of stipend money of each city by using group by clause, and to filter it, if we want to get the sum of stipend money whose sum is more than 5,000. In our case, it will be 2,200 plus 2,200 plus 3,000. It will be 7,400. Now we can see the result. It is city Delhi and sum stipend is 7,400. Hope this video is beneficial to you. Thanks for watching the video.